Good morning, brothers and sisters. Okay. So according to psychology, at times we see the value of something or someone depending or based on the looks or its identity. According to psychology, at times we see the value of something or someone depending or based on the looks or its identity. Nakikita daw natin yung halaga ng isang bagay o ng isang tao base sa itsura o sa kanyang pagkakakilanlan. So halimbawa po, may special treatment sa isang tao kasi anak ng presidente ng kumpanya. Pero pag hindi yan anak ng presidente ng kumpanya, hindi mo tatratuhin ng maayos yan. O kaya naman, mas pinaniniwalaan kapag may itsura o gwapo o maganda. Sabi ko, patay tayo dyan. So, alanganin pala ako. Okay, no? Alanganin pala ako, no? So, we see the value of something or someone depending or based on the looks or identity. So, minsan pa nga, yung halaga ng sinabi, nakadepende kung sino yung nagsabi. Kung halimbawa, si brother lang ang nagsabi, hindi pakikinggan yan. Pero pagka si father o si bishop na ang nagsabi, nang parehas na sinabi, pakikinggan na. Bakit kaya? Paras lang naman ang sinabi. In our readings today, we see how people set their standard on who to choose and to look and to listen and follow, and who to look with high regard. It depends so much on external things than the intrinsic value. In our first reading, when finding the next king, when discerning who is the anointed one of God among the sons of Jesse, Samuel based his judgment on the physical appearance. Tinignan niya kung sino yung makisig, sino ba yung mukhang hari dito sa mga to. But the Lord said to him, do not judge from appearance. Not as man sees, does God see. Because man sees the appearance, but the Lord looks into the heart. Diba? Kung sino pa yung hindi niya inaasahan na mapili, siya pa yung napili. And in our gospel today, we heard that the Pharisees began to question and reprimand the disciples of Jesus for picking the heads of the grains during Sabbath, breaking the Sabbath law, thus doing what is unlawful. Nilabag nila yung batas. But Jesus returned their argument with the case of King David and his companion, eating the bread which only the priest can lawfully eat. Thus, they also technically speaking, breaking the law. But why the Pharisees did not anymore react? But hindi na sila nag-comment pa? Is it because it is King David who is now in question? Yung hari na kinikilala nila, yun na yung tinatanong? Kapag si Haring David, okay lang. Ang batas pwedeng i-adjust, pwedeng suwayin. Kapag iba yung gumagawa, kapag siya na ang gumagawa, hindi na natin sisitahin. At times, we set a lot of biases or having an unfair treatment or judgment because of wrong standard. And at times, the standard are based mostly on the outside, on the externals. Nakabase sa itsura, nakabase kung sino, pero nakakaligtaan natin kung ano ba talaga yung pinakamahalaga. Diba? Ano ba talaga yung pinakamahalaga? Ito, hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo po ito. Ako po napapansin ko po ito. Lalo na po pagka misa sa iba't ibang parokya. Iba't ibang parokya. Kapag communion, during communion, you could see this, during communion, pag dalaw po yung pipila, no, kay lay minister o kaya kay father, mapapansin nyo po, ang daming pipila kay father. Ang daming pipila kay father for the communion, no? O kaya, lalo na po, pag nandyan yung obispo, ang daming pipila ng komunyon kay obispo. No? Magtataka kayo, bakit? No? Wala na nakapila kay lay minister o kaya wala na nakapila kay father, pero kay bishop pa rin pipila. No? Pero bakit? No? Kasi si bishop yung magbibigay. Kaya, si father kasi magbibigay. Pero isipin nyo, bakit? Magkakaiba ba kami ng komunyon na binibigay? Magkakaiba ba kami ng komunyon na binibigay? Pagka binigay ni father, mas malaki kaysa dun sa lay minister. Kapag binigay ni bishop na komunyon, mas blessed kaysa dun sa binigay ni father. May iba pa nga po, ayaw magkomunyon sa lay minister, kailangan kay father o kay bishop lang. Bakit? Ano bang mas mahalaga? Yung nagbigay o yung tinatanggap na komunyon na si Jesus mismo? Well, the greatness of value of someone or something should and must not be based on what is on the outside, but inside. Amen.